Hello guys, this is researcher and analyst Ryan, and today I am with the idea for only for Americans because it is one of the national which is considered weak in religion. Weak, okay? They live fast, they quit fast, they cannot bear at some point mental pressure because they're Americans. They have been living in a very good condition many times. So I have a guide to Americans. If you want to get selected in religion, damn sure, please follow this what I'm saying, okay? First of all, the criminal part. Most of the American who comes here have done many crimes, or few crimes. So any crime except murder, okay? Any crime except murder, religion accepts. Religion accepts as a crime, no problem. If you murder someone and the person is dead, then you have a big problem. It's hard. It's hard for the selection because you come in the murderer, complete. You can kill someone civil life. So if you have done murder, yeah, if you have put bullet in someone's ass, or if you have pulled a bullet on someone, he is not dead, then it's fine one time. I have seen guys. I know an English guy who shot twice to one guy, and the guy was not dead. And he came running to Legion, and Legion accepted him, but he quit at last. To Americans, never come in group, guys. Don't never do that. Limited selection, guys. Understand? If there are 10 Americans, 3 to 4 gonna be selected. So better come 3 to 4, no? They want all nationalities. Nepali 5, American 5, Bangladeshi 2, Indian 3 maybe, Sri Lankan 4. There are a lot of nationality in the world. They want to mix it up. That is the beauty of the Legion. Okay? You want to mix it up. If you come with your friend and he gets selected and you not, how you gonna feel? So this happens. Many Nepali people have suffered with this. And then they're like, he got selected, they start getting jealous in the training part, and me not, oh no, and they keep it in their heart, and then they fight. This happens to American guys. Before coming, don't look like civilian. You have to look like a Legion. Get your fucking haircut, completely haircut, completely strict body. This is called like tight ones, not like loose like mine's now. I had a very stronger one. See my photos. How I started looking like gorilla. You have to look like that. Look like animals. Okay? Because this look will give you the advantage that you have a soldier personality. You have a military personality. Okay? Don't take me bad. This is the idea and what I'm giving. Physically strong. Practice hard training from before. Like carry 40 kilos, kgs, stone in your bag, walk like 10 miles, 15 miles. That will give you an impact. That will give the interviewer an impact that okay, this guy has been looks like a already trained guy, so we don't need to push it up. Get your French basic strong. You must know French. If you know French, you have like 80 to 90% chance for you guys, okay, Americans. Now try to make a Facebook page for all the Americans who is coming to Legion, so that people contact each other, and then they try to schedule themselves. Okay, this week I'm gonna go. After 5 days you gonna go. Like 4, 2 people, 2, 3 people. Not even 4. 2 to 3 maximum in one group. This should happen. It's good for you. Otherwise, be ready to get rejected. You have to look damn serious. Not much communication in the training part. They observe you guys. They observe you everything. I see Nepali guys were really like, they were like so serious because they came with the intention of getting selected. Very serious they were. And I see so many people like just communication and like enjoying talking about dirty things and army soldier mentality are damn serious people. You have to be strict in your discipline even in the training part. You don't have to involve in your friendship. Friendship is nothing to do. Friendship comes afterward, after training and everything. Camaraderie it is called. Okay? Since you are not a legionnaire, don't act too friendly. Be helpful. I'm not saying be helpful, but not friendly. They don't want you guys talking with each other, so much. The guy who is a quitter gonna give an idea of the quitting. The guy who is stronger gonna give idea of the strength. So after you become legion, try to become best friend of each other. Do not act shy or anything. Be true about your crime. This happens with me, and especially I have met the Marines soldiers, Marines, two guys from the Marines. So if you are from that background and with your injury or anything you got rejected in the army of the America, then you can come to Legion to apply if you have recovered your physically. Okay, I saw a guy who's like patella of the knee had come out in the Marines. So Marines rejected him though. Okay, you are of no use to us. And then this guy took the complete surgery. He came back. Legion took him in 60 kilometers walk. The guy was like crying at some point because he was feeling a lot of pain. And the guy finally completed it. After completing 60 kilometers, he became a legionnaire, and after a month, he comes to know that Legion wants him to get out. And today, he is in the French Foreign Legion, giving his best shot. So this guy was really serious mentally. Okay, these are kind of people who becomes Legion. So he was crying. I took him. I hugged him. I said nothing gonna happen to you guys. I knew that time the inside of I had all the corporal my friends at that time because I speak French. So all the corporal and everyone became friendly with me at some point, thinking this crazy Indian guy. It's very funny one. I used to sing, I used to be funny, I used to make a lot of mistakes every time in the highlight. So at some point they started liking, this crazy guy, man. So they start liking and they become friends, and at one point we become friends, and he was like, please become a Legion, don't quit, it is very nice. But I said no, I mean completely I'm getting out of it. It's hard for me. All surgeons and everyone like push you, please don't quit, you are a nice guy, you're gonna do good, this, that. But it's not for everyone. So being a researcher, I really wanted to see what happens exactly. So yeah, these are the part of the Americans, Indians and Americans are pretty smart. They are quiet, and in the Legion actually they are very highly mannered. But I saw a few Americans, really bad ones, really bad ones. The one who got in fight with me for no reason, he was completely mad, man. Really mad. I was so friendly with everyone, I was helping him, and one day he drank and he was like committed this kind of thing, and it was a big issue. In Legion I am damn famous because currently, because of me, there was a big issue there. I went to the French military, to complain, make a human racism complaint. This happened with me. There was a big action. The whole blue regiment was taken exam verification. What happened exactly? Tell us. Two corporals get fucked up there. It's because of me. I took the initiative of making a complaint, and everyone had to bear it. They can do nothing about it. So guys, this is the huge advice no one can give you, I'm sure of that. Try to give me some funds because I'm starting a charity here. I see a lot of poor people in India. I want to do something for them. Being a businessman, I give a part of mine, but if you guys want to help me, try to donate me. And also please subscribe my channel. I will be giving you some damn good information about things. Okay, Americans, salute to you. Bye bye.